Okay, we got our filter put in with our output filter reservoir capacitor and our bleed off resistor and our reverse polarity diode protection with our EMI filter and our connection to the front panel. And we do want to sense here for the feedback, but we may have to sense here instead. I don't know yet. That might not be a big deal because this isn't just wire. It's special wire. It's special wire, right? What kind of shit is special wire? It's silver Teflon 10 gauge wire. This isn't just wire. This is layered and twisted and very, very high current, very high capacity wire. See that? It's wrapped in shells. It's wrapped like wire rope. This is very high current wire. So you think you got wire? Go out and buy some of this stuff. This is a real deal here. Welding cable the same size and a lot more current. This is really good stuff. The solder's great, very conductive. The only drawback is if it's exposed to sulfur at all, oh man, does it corrode. Sulfur is its real weakness. It's great stuff. So the rest of the high current path for this supply is all going to be wired with silver Teflon wire. That's to minimize IR loss. And I got it, so it's just nice to use. So that's it for today, I think. And hopefully we'll get the transformer rewound at some point soon. We have to split the taps in half because these are 25 volt windings and we need 12 volt windings. So we got to tear that guy apart, and that's a huge mess. I hate doing it, but it's a necessity because I can't get a custom transformer wound. They're not going to do it for me. Okay, that's it for now. Let's on to the next step, which is the pass regulator, like I said, which is not as hard as transformer rewinding, but it's still not a lot of fun. Well, that's it for now.